students, how are you all? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss about types of sentences. We will learn about the structure of sentences. Sentences can be of different types depending on their structure. Mainly sentence can be a simple sentence, compound sentence or complex sentence. Simple sentence is one which contains only one finite verb and one independent clause or the principal clause or main clause. For example, I love samosas. Here I is the subject, love is the verb, samosa is the object. This is a single sentence, one independent clause is there, one finite verb is there. So this is a simple sentence. Or other examples, simple sentence can have two subjects or two objects also, like the children and their mother are returning from the market. Here two subjects are there. It can be having the phrase also, the girl with long plait is next door, is my next door neighbor. Here adjective phrase is used with the subject. So these are all simple sentences. It may be short in length or it may be a long sentence, but it contains only one independent clause and it has a finite verb. These are simple sentences. Second, if we talk about compound sentences, then compound sentences are those which contains at least two independent clauses. These two clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction or a semicolon. For example, the duck quacked, semicolon, the horses neighed. Here there are two clauses and both are independent clauses. They have their own meaning. The duck quacked gives meaning. The horses neighed, it also makes a sense, it gives its own meaning. These are both principal clauses, main clauses. These are both independent clauses. They can exist on their own to give their meaning. But they are joined with a semicolon to make a single sentence, so it becomes a compound sentence which contains two independent clauses. Another example, Vinay turns 13 this December and plans to celebrate his birthday grandly. Here also there are two clauses and the subject of both the clauses is same. The subject is often omitted in the second clause while writing when we join the sentence with a conjunction. So this is the compound sentence in which there are two independent clauses which give their own meaning separately also and they are joined with a conjunction. Then comes complex sentences. Complex sentences are those which contains one main clause and rest other are the subordinate clauses. Subordinate clauses can be one, two or more depending upon the structure of the sentence. For example, if everyone agrees, comma, we will postpone the celebrations. Here, if everyone agrees, this is the subordinate clause. It cannot give its own meaning until and unless it is joined with the independent main clause. The second one, we will postpone the celebrations. This is the independent clause. We will postpone the celebrations is independent clause which is giving its own meaning. But if everyone agrees, this is added to it in front. This will depend on the main clause to give its meaning. So this is a complex sentence. That means complex sentences are those in which there is one main clause and other are the subordinate clauses which depend on the main clause to give their meaning. But in compound sentences, these are two or more independent clauses which are joined by the conjunction. So this is all about simple, compound and complex sentences. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care all of you.